Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your current slot count and any cap tied to level or story progression. This prevents wasted effort. Once done, gather required materials and currency. Focus on items that appear in multiple upgrade recipes. Start the first unlock steps immediately. Complete the specific quest or skill milestone that unlocks the base additional slot, and spend resources on the slot upgrade interface. Doing this now saves backtracking later and opens subsequent slot methods. You move into layered methods that compound gains, run repeatable challenges and weekly content that drop slot components, and funnel those into crafting recipes. Make sure to convert surplus materials into advanced talisman parts at the bench or vendor. Crafting yields often cost less than buying rare drops. Also, prioritize faction reputation or achievement tracks that permanently increase slot counts. Once you stack these mid-game sources, your slot increase accelerates and prepares you for the final upgrades. You complete the process by applying the rare final upgrade or performing the fusion that yields the last 1 or 2 slots. Follow the prescribed order to avoid losing progress. Make sure inventory has room and required components are exact, because some systems consume specific parts on attempt. If an upgrade fails or a slot doesn't appear, salvage remaining parts, wait out any cooldowns, then retry with the correct sequence. A single troubleshooting tip: verify prerequisites and rerun the unlocking quest if slots remain locked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.